How to use Metamask in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to download Metamask first, and for that just simply open up Play Store or App Store and search for Metamask. Then select this one. After that, you need to install this Metamask on your mobile device, then open it up. And this is where it will take you. Now at the bottom, you can see different options for you to choose in order to perform different tasks. On the second window, you would be able to find the history of your transactions, and on the first or the foremost window that you can see right now is the account section, and here you can find all the tokens in your wallet that you have right now. You can also find your wallet address over here. You can scan any particular QR code and make the payments by clicking on the top right hand side corner. You can see the QR code option there. And in order to change networks, simply select the option of center at the top, and here you get different networks. Simply select any of the network that you want to utilize on your Metamask. You can also add another network if you want to by clicking on this option of add network. And this way you would be able to switch between different networks according to the platform that you are connecting to. When we click on the bottom center, you can find this particular option. Here you can buy crypto, you can sell crypto, you can swap to different tokens on Metamask itself. You can bridge from one network to another on Metamask using the bridge option. And in case if you want to send your crypto to any person out there, then you can use this particular option of send. And in the similar way, if you want to receive crypto, then select the option of receive on Metamask, and you would be able to receive any crypto on Metamask using the receive option. Now let's move on with other options. When we click on the web one, here you get different web searches that you can do on the Metamask itself and connect with different websites or Web3 websites. Like OpenSea is one such website, and you can connect to it on Metamask itself using this particular tab. Simply search for any particular website that you want to connect to on Metamask, and after that you can open it up. Then simply go with the way that you do on the browser. In the similar way, you can connect with any website on your mobile. And in case if you want to make any changes to the settings, simply open up the settings tab, and here you can find rest of the settings of your Metamask. And this was the short guide on Metamask. If you want to see more details about it, you can comment down below so we know exactly what you are looking for, and we can create a video for it as well. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.